And you remember Denchira was powerful then, that it was controlling Asante. And Asante's fought for their war of independence against the Denchiras from 1700 to 1701. And Osei Tutu and the chief priest Konfanoti. So the Ashantis conquered Denchira. And you remember when Asante, Osei Tutu died in 1717, and Opokuwari became king in 1720. He embarked upon wars of expansion. He went to Techiman 1722, conquered it. He was in Achem 1732. Ekwapim was not spared. 1740 he was in Gonja. By 1742 he was in Dagomba. Jama, Kong, and some parts of Cote d'Ivoire were all conquered. Then the Ashanti started trading with the Europeans at the coast. And they were even trying to control the whites.